Grace period policy setup in Zoho People. Before we discuss on steps involved in grace period policy setup, we'll first understand what is grace period. So grace period is the extra time given to employees to clock in and clock out without being marked early or late. Let's take an example. Your shift starts at 9 a.m. and there is a grace period for 10 minutes. You can clock in any time between 9 a.m. and 9:10 a.m. without being considered as late. Any clock-in entry after 9:10 a.m. will be marked as late. Using the grace period setup in Zoho People, you can track the number of late entries of an employee and you can either mark them as absent or you can detect the leave balance. Now let's see how to set up the grace period policy. In order to do that, navigate to Settings and from Settings, access the Attendance module and under Configuration, go to Specific Policies. Click on Add Specific Policy, give a name and add the applicable to. So if this grace period policy is applicable to your entire organization, you can select all the shifts, or if it is applicable to a particular shift or for a particular group of users, you can set the applicable to accordingly. And the working hours policy and other setup that you see in this page is actually the clone of the general policy that is already set, which does not need to be changed. Under the section Grace Period Policy, enable it and set up the rule. So first, you need to select the Grace Period Policy, whether it has to be set for check-in entry or checkout, or even you can define the grace period for total working hours. So once this is selected, you need to mention the number of deviations. So you can say deviations are more than 2 times per week. So what should happen if an employee is late for more than 2 times a week? So we have an option to either mark an employee as absent or you can detect the leave balance of an employee. So you can select the count 0.5 or 1 and then select the options. And once this is done, whenever an employee exceeds the number of deviation that you mentioned here, they'll be either marked as absent or their leaves will be detected based on the settings done. You can also notify the employee via email whenever their leave balance is detected. By enabling this option, notify by email. So the email template can also be customized accordingly. So this is about the grace period policy setup in Zoho People.